With Qovery, you have one major feature that we bring to you. It's the environment. And within one environment, you have multiple applications that are working all together, like your backend, front-end, database, all those things. And what you can do is that you can duplicate that environment. That's what we call a playground environment. And the concept of a playground environment is very interesting because let's say that you want to benchmark maybe the performance of your original environment, but you don't want to impact that environment, then cloning that environment and creating a playground environment, replicating exactly that environment and to make your benchmark, it's possible. Let's say also that you want to create one new demo environment for your sales or your product manager that they may want to show a new feature without impacting the original environment like the production, then you can clone that environment and get a duplicated one, and so on and so forth. We have multiple use cases where the playground environment could be quite beneficial, and this is exactly what I'm going to show you here. It's how to create a playground environment with Qovery. So stay with me and I'm going to show you that.